Hello guys, I'm Yashwant back with the next video from English Riders. So today in our lecture we'll be discussing about direct and indirect speech. So before getting into our lecture, a small request. Those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, please do like it and you share to your friends so that they'll get connected with my video if they like, or they'll get to know about my channel. Without much delay, let's begin our episode, guys. Okay, so guys, what is direct speech? We'll discuss it. Direct speech are the words spoken or the actual words spoken by some person, guys. Okay, by a speaker. Only a speaker is present here. Example: he said it is raining today. So guys, structure no, comma, double quote, then full stop, and with a double quote. Direct speech like this, it will be the structure. Now I'll show you. Okay, he said it is raining today. So this isn't direct speech, only a speaker is present. So just to get an idea, conversion is important here, not the definitions and all in English. What is indirect speech? Indirect speech is used when the person reports the direct speech orally to some third person. In the sense, I'll give example. See, previous indirect speech, he said it is raining today, no? So he said that it was raining that day. So these words are said by some second person to some third person. So no speaker involved here. Second person is saying to third person, and you may be getting doubt why the tense change happened and why that day was added. So when you'll find the word said, it will change actually tense. That we'll discuss in next lectures. For giving you example in indirect speech, I just said this. Okay, don't get confused. In this lecture we are going to discuss only about simple present tense conversion from direct to indirect. Before converting, you need to learn one table: in direct speech and indirect speech. What are the changes of the words? Direct speech, the word says. In indirect speech will change to says that. Similarly, says to will change to tells. Said will change to said that. Said to will change to told. Shall will change to would. Can will change to could. Okay, these are the words you need to remember, memorize. Just write it down. Okay, we'll move on to example. He says, I am clever. So, before solving this example, you have small rules to be remembered, guys. Okay, what are those? So, guys, in after the comma you have sentence, right? I am clever. So if you need to change to indirect speech, if it is first person, second person, third person, right? First and second and third. If you don't know, please watch my first video. In that I clearly explained what is subject, verb, subject, object, and first person, second person, no, IV. So you watch that video. I'll keep the link in the description. So if it is the first person, you need to refer to the subject in the reported verb. Okay, reported verb, you need to refer the subject. If it is second person, in the reported verb, you need to refer to the object. And if it is third person, no worries, there is no change. The sentence remains unchanged. So guys, in this sentence, he says, and additionally we are going to add one word, that is that. Actually, yeah, he says I am clever, right? So he says that. So now I in the sense it's first person, so refer to subject. Here subject is he, so he says that he is clever. Here the tense will be in simple present only, no change in tense. Okay, next sentence. Joseph says I am sick now. Similarly, Joseph says that he is sick now. Says will change to says that, the table you follow, and he is, the no change in the tense. Sick now. Another example, Paul says to Ria, I am really hungry. So Paul tells Ria that word you need to add. Additionally, he is really hungry. No change in the tense. In simple present, in the reported verb, if you find these words, says that, no change. So I'll give you the other three examples as an exercise. You try to solve this. This is just a small video, guys. Next video we'll be discussing briefly about present continuous. So these 3 examples you try to solve. Number 1, note it down. She says, I shall become a doctor. This is indirect speech. You need to change to indirect speech. Follow my rules. And another one, my grandma says, I am a very naughty boy. So this sentence is in direct speech. You need to convert this to indirect speech. See, you consist of a comma, a double quote, full stop, ending with a double quote again. And last but not the least, the teacher says, you are a good student. It's a kind of a good feeling when teacher says this, right? For every one of you. So the teacher says, comma, you double quote, starting with a double quote, you are a good student, full stop, then double quotes. So this is in direct speech, and you need to change to indirect speech. And final example, he says, I go to school every day. You need to change this to indirect speech. So guys, if you like my video, give it a big thumbs up, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and you share to your friends. They'll get to know about my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.